Hello again, and because some of you asked me how I get this night version and this camera movement. You can see how this camera is slightly moving. I decided to record additional part of this tutorial, and I will just quick show you how I get this. So let's start with camera. When I press numpad 0, I switch to camera view, and I will go with this camera. So I will select this camera and go to view, the cameras, and set active cameras as object. So we now switch to this camera, and if I press space for play, we don't get any camera movement. So I will now go to view, cameras, and view, navigation, and walk navigation. So now you can see when you move your mouse, we get some movement, and now we need to record this movement. And next I will do here is activate this button for record. If I press space for play animation and go to view, navigation, and walk navigation, and move our camera, you can see how we record this. So if I press play here, you can see how this animation is recorded. But we have one problem here. We lose all this time to find this option here, and we have a lot of empty space. What we can do here is we can assign shortcut to this walk navigation option. So just go here to navigation, walk navigation. I already add this shift shortcut, and I will just remove for now. And you can just go with right click here and assign shortcut, and you can add any shortcut here, but I will go with shift F. And now you can see here your new shortcut, and now we can I will first delete this old one. We can go to first frame and press space to start our animation, and quickly shift F, and now we can play with camera. And space for stop recording. We can select all these frames and move to first frame. And now we have animation for our camera. And now we just need to smooth this, because you can see this hard shake. And we can do this easily in Graph Editor. So just right click here and vertical split. And now we can on right side open Graph Editor. So click here and go to Graph Editor, and you can see here our animation. So we can go to select all keyframes. You can go to key and press this simple keyframe. It will add additional, you can see these blue keyframes. This will already smooth our animation, but we can smooth this more if we go to key and smooth keys. And I can go again with this option, or you can press Alt 0. So I will just smooth this a few times, and you can see how now our camera is smooth. And for this night version, I just change lighting in our scene. So first I will go to shading tab and select this from object to world and delete HDRI from day light scene, and you can just basically go to Shift A and go to background, and I will go down to maybe 0.1 here, bluish color here. Now we just need add some lights here. You can see these lights, and this is basically just spotlight here. So I will just create a quick one for you. So just go to light and spotlight, and you just need to press R, X and 180 to rotate this. So I here go with 2000 value and just select a little yellowish color here, and you can choose this radius here. So I will put this to 1 meter, so I will go here to 1. With this spotlight you get only these lights going up, so I want to get this light on floor. I add also and one point lamp, so I will go with light and go with point lamp, and you can see here one point lamp also, and I go here with 300 power and radius of about 1 meter. So I will select this one and scale this to about 1 and go here to 300, and now we can select both of this and move to position here and go with Alt D and X and move to X axis, and now you can just go with Shift R to repeat this process. And if you go with select linked object data, we can select all this and just and here to bounding box and just rotate this on Z, and with Alt D copy this again and rotate a little to adjust this. And that's basically all. I just copy this also and move with Alt Shift D or Alt D, copy this and move here and place here. Place one here and here and to this area and to this one. So you can just type in Google Zadar Fosha night. You can find a lot of reference for this lighting. So you can see these spotlights go from floor to these walls. So with the point lamp I get a little lights down, and the spotlights is for these lights. And to get these lights here, I just place 4-point lamp with reddish color here, and I get these nice details here. And also for this lamp here, I place this, I think this is also spot lamp, and I just rotate this on X-axis. So just press X and you can rotate this down. And that's basically all for lighting and camera movement, and thank you for watching and see you next time.